Good day, and welcome to today's FUCHS Tech Talk. I'm Jarryd.
And I'm Gregory.
And today we're going to be talking about the SILKOLENE maintenance range.
First product to discuss is the RSF fork oil range. This comes in ISO grade 15, 22, 32, 46, and 100. These products have been racetrack proven. We have two synthetic fork oils in our range as well, and they are ISO 15 to 22 and ISO 46. These oils can be mixed, but please remember, don't mix synthetic with mineral.
On the coolant side, we've got the MagCool, which is based on monoethylene glycol. We've got the ProCool, which is based on monopropylene glycol. And for the racing enthusiasts, we've got the Pro CCA Ultra, which is glycol-free and is considered safe to use on a track.
In the SILKOLENE range, we also have two brake fluids, and the one is universal brake and clutch fluid. That is a .3 brake fluid with a boiling point of around 155 degrees. The Pro Race brake fluid is a .4 and has a wet boiling point of about 204 because of the harsher conditions on the track. Foam filter cleaner and foam filter oil is also available in the SILKOLENE range. Foam filter cleaner is there to clean your filters before re-oiling, and then you use the foam filter oil. This will allow air to come through, but it will trap dust particles as well.
We also have our SILKOLENE RG2 grease, which is synthetic based and considered multifunctional. It's got great water washouts and prevents corrosion where applied.
And finally, after all the servicing, greasing, and racing of your motorbike, we have a product called FUCHS Wash Off, which is an easy to apply spray on, spray off cleaner that is highly recommended by all our sponsorships.
Check out our FUCHS merch online store for your SILKOLENE merchandise.
For more FUCHS Tech Talks, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.